Maganda umaga, tanghali, hapon, gabi. Sa zodiac sign na Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn, Lala Baby, nagpapakilala. Okay? Yan. Bibigyan ko kayo ng reading for the third week of July. Yan ha. So let's see yung tinatawag pang kasalukuyang energy. Para paalam sa lahat na ang energy is very, very fluid. Pwedeng magbago-bago. So, yung pangkasalukuyan lang energy ang ating titingnan, ha? Pwede itong magbago. Okay? So, narito ang tinatawag na The Magician. Okay? Yan. The Mercury. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with the earth elements. So, narito ang tinatawag na the Empress. Okay? So, naririto ang tinatawag na the Judgment. So, meron dito tinatawag reconciliation. Okay? It's like magkakaroon ng usapan, communication. Okay? It's more about reconciliation. Narito kasi ang tinatawag the judgment. Yan ha. So, maaaring ito yung tinatawag baka maglalabas ng kayamanan. Diba? Magbibigay ng kayamanan. Pera in the forms of money, materials, love. Okay, yan. Pwede rin ito yung tinatawag pagbabalikan. Kung di man sila magkabalikan as a couple, di ba? Pwedeng ito yung tinatawag na magkaibigan na lang sila. Okay? So, narito ang tinatawag na the Gemini lovers. Yan, ha? Narito ang the devil. It's like meron ditong muhing-muhi, di ba? Tinatawag the stars, okay? Pag sinabi mong the star is the Aquarius, okay? Muhing-muhi. Maaring muhing-muhi siya sa sarili niya. Muhing-muhi siya sa buhay niya, di ba? Namumuhi siya, okay? O sino ito? Yan na. Kinamumuhian niya. Yan, muhing-muhi siya sa taong ito. Okay? Muhing-muhi siya dahil ibig sabihin nito, nalalamangan siya. Okay? Yan o. Diba? Okay? So it's like competition. Kung sino ito. Yan ha. Kakompete niya sa buhay niya. Diba? Yan. Hindi niya matanggap na so ibig sabihin kaya narito ang devil ha. Hindi niya matanggap, okay, na mas dinaig siya. Okay? Dinaig siya ng taong ito. Yan. Tinatawag competition. Halimbawa sa affection, di ba? Yan. Halimbawa sabihin na nating husband's affection, child's affection, friend's affection, parents' affection, di ba? Yan. Kumbaga dito ito yung tinatawag the center of affection ng tao na ito. Yan ha? Okay. Kumbaga dito ay the center of her love. To. Yan ha? Pero dito ay merong muhing-muhi. Yan. Hindi lang niya sinasabi. Diba? So, ibig sabihin nito, ano ito? Kakompetisyon niya, halimbawa sa pagmamahal, kakompetisyon niya sa trabaho, kakompetisyon niya sa atensyon, di ba? Yan. Kasi meron ditong center of affection, center of attention. Okay? Yan. So, let's see. Okay? Wait muna. Meron ditong tinatawag na very, very blessed ang kanilang relationship. I think the earth elements, the Taurus, Virgo, and the Capricorn, they are in a relationship with the Gemini, Libra, and Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Diba? Yan. So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na, it has something about child rearing, family relationship, di ba? Family wealth, meron ditong family wealth, di ba? So, meron ditong tinatawag na hindi niya makuha, okay? Ang kanyang gusto, hindi niya makuha. It's like this person, yan. Sabihin na natin, hindi niya ma-bribe, okay? Nahihirapan siyang i-bribe ito, di ba? So, this person is tinatawag na hindi ko alam kung pasanin sa buhay. Walang backbones, 'di ba? Irresponsible, 'di ba? So hirap na hirap siya i-convince kung sino man ito. Maybe parents, spouses, person, the boss, 'di ba? The employer, 'di ba? So nakikita dito yung tinatawag, palagi siyang merong dahilan, 'di ba? Yan, no? Pero palpak, laging palpak, okay? Yung kanyang pagdedesisyon. If this is not your energy, this is the energy of people significant sa inyo, okay? Maybe your person, your children, siblings, relatives, parents, 'di ba? Yan. So this person is very very narcissist, okay? This person is very very narcissist. Yan. Mataas ang kanyang pamantayan sa buhay, ambisyoso, 'di ba? Tinatawag na sarili lang niya iniisip niya. Taking advantage of others' wealth, 'di ba? Palaasa ito. Yan. So, ibig sabihin nito, hindi siya magising-gising sa katotohanan. Kasi narito ang tinatawag na the judgment and the devil, di ba? Hindi siya magising. Ayaw niyang magising sa katotohanan. Okay? So, ang nasa isip lang nito is about tinatawag na karangyaan, di ba? Luxury. Spoiled. Very spoiled. Yan, ha? So, he will do everything. Kaya dito narito ang the magician, di ba? He will do everything para, ibig sabihin nito, mapa sa kanya whatever is this wealth, beauty, di ba? Reputation, name, di ba? Tinatawag na house, cars, yan, ha? It's all about gusto niya spoiled ang sarili niya, di ba? Okay? So, nakikita dito, this person is tinatawag na sikat, okay? Maaaring sikat siya sa friends niya, okay? Sikat siya sa social media. Sikat siya sa mga tao, okay? So, nakikita mo siya, yung tinatawag na there is a person here, dahil ito'y the chariot, di ba? So, the chariot is all about maybe nag-iisip siya, okay? House renovation, a travel, okay? A business, okay? Baka bibiling kotse, baka bibili ng mga properties, di ba? Yan. So, this person, it's like this person is already awakened. Okay? Yan. Maybe dito marirealize niya na ginagamit lang siya. Okay? Meron ditong ginagamit lang siya for their own pleasure. Okay? Yan. So, kaya dito lumabas ang tinatawag na the Gemini. Diba? It's all about knowing this person. It's like ang buhay ng taong ito is tinatawag na not in order, okay? Maybe chaotic, okay? Abusive, maybe nasa relationship siya na very, very abusive. Gusto niya ng tinatawag na buhay na karangyaan, di ba? Walang problema. So, maybe this person is thinking of a new relationship. Papasok siya, di ba? Yan. So, kung sino man ito, it's like, kung ito'y marriage, a second marriage ito, di ba? Ibig sabihin ito yung tinatawag na mahina. It's like mabagal siya sa paggawa ng desisyon, di ba? Dahil ito yung tinatawag for their lifetime protection, lifetime relationship, di ba? So, ibig sabihin nito, tinatawag ayaw niya. It's like this person has previous relationship problems, okay? So, kaya dito nakikita mo, tinatawag na a new marriage, okay? A new relationship, okay? Blessed. So, ibig sabihin nito, okay? Once na nakilala niya, okay? Once nakilala niya ang taong ito, they are soulmate, they have many things in common, then that's the only time. Ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na, okay? Writing a contract, okay? Yan. Pero nakikita dito, tinatawag a new love will enter. Bagong pag-ibig, papasok sa buhay niya. Bagong tao, papasok sa buhay niya. The end of a bad relationship, it's like a nightmare, di ba? Yan, nightmare relationship, the end. So there is ang nakikita dito, maybe this person, gusto niyang relocation, di ba? A travel. So, it's about choosing what they want, di ba? Yan. Okay? Kasi narito siya, di ba? Okay. Choosing. It's a choice to make. Okay? Yan. So, narito din ang tinatawag na bagong bahay. Okay? Maybe they will buy a house, magpaparenovate, moving to one's place, di ba? Or a new career. Okay? Yan. Maybe a home-based business, a home-based job. Okay? So whatever is this, magkakaroon ng tinatawag na success. Yan ha? Sa kanyang journey, sa kanyang travel. Okay? May napipintuho, bagong pag-ibig, kayamanan. Okay? It will be granted. Okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, whatever is this, it's like this person is tinatawag na meron siya mga weaknesses, di ba? Maybe, sabihin na natin, may pagka-shopaholic, di ba? Or, sabihin natin, tinatawag, mahilig siyang bumili ng mga luxury, okay? Yan. Yun ang kanyang kahinaan. Okay? So, let's see. Okay. So, ibig sabihin nito, there is a movement. Okay? There is a movement. So, tinatawag na against. Okay? An increase or tinatawag na a promotion. Okay? Travel, journey, by air, by land, by sea. Okay. So, nakikita dito, ha? Tinatawag na popularity. Popular, okay? Popular ang tao na ito sa opposite sex. Any men, women, very, very popular sila. Di ba? So, it's about their looks, their appearance. maaari yung sabi nating bahay nila, di ba, where they live. Or nakikita dito yung tinatawag na pagiging maagap. Okay? Yan, maagap. Yan na. So there is tinatawag na a journey. Okay? A task, maybe sabihin na nating activities, investment. Okay? Maybe mag-i-invest kayo sa bahay, mag-i-invest kayo sa stock market, stock exchange. Okay? So, naririto ang tinatawag na the Nine of Swords. Okay? So, ibig sabihin ng the Nine of Swords is mga gumugulo sa kaisipan niya. Okay? Ito, it's like hindi siya makabitiw, hindi siya makaalis kasi narito ang the devil, di ba? Maybe this is a person, okay? It's like this person is making everything's difficult para sa mga Taurus, Capricorn, Virgo. Okay? You're always on the go. Lagi kayo nasa kalsada, di ba? Nasa public. Okay? So, nakikita dito yung tinatawag pagiging orderliness ninyo, di ba? Yan. Maybe malinis ang harapan mo. Parang may mga bulaklak, di ba? You're very, very fertile. Okay? So, ibig sabihin ito pag sinabi mong fertile, because narito ang tinatawag na the Venus, di ba? Yan. Sexually, it's about your sexual drives. I think it's like Kama Sutra, di ba? Yan ha. So, ibig sabihin, ikaw yung tinatawag na people's choice. Yan ha. Marami kayong friends. You are tinatawag na they look up to you. They respect you. Diba? It's like ikaw ang kanilang inspirasyon. Diba? You are giving them inspiration. Okay. This person is working hard. Yeah? You are working hard, nakikita dito. Para sa iyong tinatawag, maybe it has something to do about marriage, sa work mo, di ba? Sa katatagan ng buhay mo, para sa iyong future, para sa iyong savings, di ba? Yan. For others, for this relationship, di ba? You are working hard. Okay? So, meron ditong tinatawag because you're working hard, you are addicted. It's like slave ka na ng trabaho mo and you don't see yourself. Maybe masyado ka ng tinatawag na it's like parang ginagawa mong machine, non-stop ang katawan mo. You're not a robot. Okay? You're not a robot. Okay? So, maaaring dito, you're working hard for your vices, di ba? Maybe umiinom ka, yan. Cigarettes, di ba? Yan. For your pleasure, okay? You're working hard for your, para magkaroon ka ng tinatawag, to boost your ego, confidence. Your name, di ba? Your, tinatawag na prestigious, reputation, okay? You're working hard for your future, di ba? Kasaganaan. Okay. So, what's it? You're working hard para hindi mag-iba ang bahay mo. Maaari sigurong ikaw is speck and span. Yeah? It's about cleanliness. Nakikita mo bawat detalye sa loob ng bahay mo. Pwede sa trabaho, sa iyong work, di ba? Yan. Speck and span. Strict, very, kayo. Tinatawag na, anong tawag dito? anong tawag dito? Yung ah, sobra ang inyong pagiging metikuloso. Okay? So, meron ditong tinatawag na the Ace of Cups. Yan. Okay ha? So, ibig sabihin nito, maybe it has something to do about family. Diba? Yan. There is a reconciliation, okay? Let's say conflicts, okay? Sino mga kaaway ninyo? Maaari tinatawag spouses, diba? Someone wants to make amends with you, diba? Makipag-ayos. Okay? Someone is tinatawag na they are very, very down, okay? They are in a very, very bad relationship. Okay? Yan. It's like nagkaroon sila ng realization. Mali ang kanilang pagpapasyang ginawa. Okay? Yeah. So, they want to make an amendments sa inyo. Okay? Maaring sabihin natin, gusto makipagbalikan, di ba? Makipagbati, it's about friendship, di ba? Mali ang naging choice. Yan. So, meron ditong tinatawag very, very attracted sila sa inyo. Okay? Maybe they are, sabihin na nating, malapit lang. Nakikita ko malapit lang sa inyo. Okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na we witness. Okay? They witness. Ano ito? Meron kayo. Okay? It's like maybe about your self, your appearance, looking good. You look good, okay? You smells good. It's like tinatawag na they witness. Meron kayong mga tinatawag na mga jealousy. You are surrounded, okay? Jealousy people. Kasi nawi-witness nila, okay? It's like tinatawag na top 10. Top. Kung sa 1 to 10, ikaw yung top 10, top 5, top 10. Okay? You're in the top 10. So, whatever is this, ibig sabihin nito, magkakaroon ng tinatawag na glorious, okay? Sa buhay ninyo. Yan, ha? Matatapos. Yan, ha? It's like, maaalis ka. Okay? Sa tinatawag na hardship, sufferings, di ba? Cruelties. Maybe you are dealing with this person. Okay? Merong tinatawag na the devil energies. Okay? So, whatever is this, meron ditong tinatawag na it's like unity. Di ba? It's like a wedding, pag-iisang dibdib, di ba? Yan. And that's your soulmate, okay? Maybe marriage, okay? A new partner, a new partnership, maybe trabaho, pwede rin, di ba? Additional member of the family is coming. So, ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag na additional, okay? Increase of income, increase of wealth, okay? Increase of properties, yan. Increase of money, stock markets, okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, sandali lang, ha? Okay? So, narito ang tinatawag na the high priestess, the moon, okay? So, ibig sabihin ng the moon na ito is very, very feminine, okay? It's about your popularity, okay? It's about your, it's about the condition of your heart happiness. Okay? Yan. So, whatever is this, makakaroon dito ng revelation. Okay? Dahil narito ang tinatawag na the judgment. Okay? Revelation. Yan. Tinatawag na the star. Okay? Yan. So, ibig sabihin, whatever is this, it's like magkakaroon tinatawag transition, transformation, revelation soon. Okay? Watch out. Okay? Maganda ang revelation na ito. It's like ito yung tinatawag na katatagan. Okay? Maybe in a relationship, marriage, career, money, wealth, di ba? People, di ba? May katatagan. Katatagan ito, ha? But there is a tinatawag a journey. Okay? There is a journey. Okay. So, may darating pong tagumpay, ha? It's more about coming. Yan. There is a revelation. Okay? So, ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag na merong graces, abundance, success, luck coming your way.